Bloody tuna on there. Big tuna, look at him go. Oh, you bastard. Nearly got caught around the motor. Can you see him? I'm going to get him in a sec. I've got another rod going over here with another tuna. One tuna right here. I've got that rod there with another tuna. Tunas everywhere. Jesus Christ. Come on, baby. He's just right there. The leader's right there. Come on. There's the leader. You can see the leader. There it is. Come on. I've got to try and gaff him. Come on, baby. Come on, tuna. Come on, tunas. Whoa. Whoa, look at that tuna. Fuck, he's bigger than yesterday. I have to put down the camera while we gaff it. Sorry, boys. Come on, baby. Come on. Come the pup. Come on. Let me get this one. Gotcha! Look at that, people. Woo! Jesus Christ, but I got no chance because I got this other rod. Got another tuna on this rod, and as you can see, there is no one else in the boat. I'm doing it by myself. Come on, baby! Come the papa! There he is. Can you see him? Woo! Look at that big sucker. That's 10 kilo easy. Come on, baby. Woo! What a workout. Forget aerobics, fellas. Come fishing for tuna. Woo! Look, can you see the shore? The shore is just there. We're probably 6 k's. We're a good 15 metres of water. I'm trying to bring these fish in. Come on, baby. Woo! Probably about the same size. Can we see him in the water? Come on, Papa. Come on, there's a leader. There's a leader. You might be. Watch the motor, baby. Watch the motor. Oh, he's off. All right. Can we see him there, boys? Where is he? He's a big tuna. Alright, whoa, he's off. Oh, he's gone again. Got a bit scared. Whew. Action all the way here, I tell ya. A little bit wavy, it's not too bad. Come on. Still got to kill that sucker yet. Come on, fella, come on. Come on, baby, come on. Come on. 2 in 1. Double hit. Andy boy, you wanted to stay at home. The size of it, 20 foot. Oh! Get out of there. Come on, come on, I was right there, you were there. Whew. Come on. Whew. 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 Jesus Christ. Oh. Good old pen, eh? Good old pen. Good old pen.